This is Ella. She's 2 weeks. She has a little torticollis, but she's already working through that. She's picking her head up real well. So we've already loosened up the muscles in the neck. You'll find that one side is a little bit tighter and it wants to pull the head that way. So you just lay her on your stomach and you slowly start working on those muscles. You're only pressing about a 2 out of 10. 10 is the most. So you're going real light. And when you wake her up and she gets a little irritated, then you know you found the right spot. So you go away from it a little bit, then you come back and she'll slowly loosen it up. She'll let me get in there. She gets used to the pressure. Or not. Then I'll work my way down into the hip. You'll find that in the hip, it's really tight here on this front portion, right where the quad meets the hip. And I'll do light little massages there. And once again, you're only going about a 2 out of 10, not going too hard. You'll know she enjoys it because she'll slowly let go. All right, and I work my way into the glutes because we want to build up the glutes, so we want to stimulate it too. And then you're working way into the legs and just moving things and massaging. Stretching that hip, moving that hip. And then you do the other side.